2027 Jeep Wrangler mods are insane. Factory 35s, 500 horsepower, Hurricane and Ultimate custom builds. The 2027 Jeep Wrangler is becoming the most customizable Wrangler ever built, with Jeep designing the SUV specifically for aftermarket upgrades, overlanding builds, and hardcore off-road modifications while still supporting the latest hybrid and twin-turbo powertrain technology from the factory. Factory customization. Jeep is making customization easier directly from the dealership floor. The Stream 35 package now brings a factory 1.5-inch lift, aggressive 35-inch tires, and upgraded suspension components, while aftermarket companies are already developing simple conversions for massive 37-inch tire setups. The redesigned grille and bumper system also support easier modifications this year. Jeep engineered the front end for quicker removal, allowing owners to install winch-compatible steel bumpers and Mopar factory winch kits without major cutting or complicated fabrication work afterward. New appearance options are also generating excitement among Wrangler fans. Unique colors like Juice and the Blue Jean, soft top option create perfect foundations for custom beadlock rings, color-matched recovery hooks, upgraded lighting kits, and personalized interior stitching combinations that stand out everywhere. Smart upgrades. Inside, the Wrangler now supports deeper digital customization than previous generations. The standard 12.3-inch Uconnect 5 touchscreen allows owners to install third-party trail guides, customize telemetry displays, and monitor detailed off-road performance information during demanding trail adventures and overlanding trips. Jeep also simplified electrical modifications using a factory auxiliary switch bank. Higher trims include pre-wired auxiliary controls, allowing owners to install air compressors, roof light bars, refrigerators, and other accessories without drilling through dashboards or creating messy aftermarket wiring setups. The Wrangler's improved axle hardware also creates a stronger foundation for heavy-duty modifications. More trims now include Dana M220 wide full-floating rear axles, helping support oversized tires, extra trail equipment, and the additional torque generated by electrified powertrains and tuned turbocharged engines. Performance potential. The biggest aftermarket story for 2027 revolves around the new 3.0-liter Hurricane twin-turbo inline-six engine. Producing around 420 horsepower from the factory, tuning companies are reportedly targeting well over 500 horsepower through ECU flashes, intake upgrades, and performance exhaust modifications. The 4xe hybrid Wrangler is also becoming a favorite among overlanding enthusiasts. New aftermarket battery expansion kits and solar-integrated roof rack systems are being developed specifically for extended off-grid adventures while helping maintain electric range far from traditional charging infrastructure. Pricing for the 2027 Wrangler starts around $39,640 for the base sport model, while the luxurious Rubicon X climbs beyond $67,000. The powerful 392 Moab 5.8 reaches nearly $82,000 as dealership deliveries continue expanding throughout late 2026 across North America. The 2027 Wrangler proves Jeep understands modern enthusiasts want factory-ready customization without sacrificing reliability. Drop your dream Wrangler build in the comments, subscribe for more future SUV coverage, and tell us whether you would choose gas, hybrid, or V8 power for your ultimate setup.